Hey guys, it's Matthew from RX Safety, and today I'm going to show you how to change the lenses on the Wiley X Saint. As you know, Wiley X is one of our leading brands and its quality is outstanding. The Wiley X Saint sunglasses are prescription available and ANSI Z87 Plus approved. So, you can use them as safety glasses for work, indoor shooting, motorbiking, and any other activity you want. They are set apart from the other options by their interchangeable lenses, so you can use which lens color is best suited for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to correctly change the lenses on your new pair of Wiley X Saint sunglasses. First, we're going to remove the lenses from the corner opposite from the nose, like so. Pull down, and come right out. Same with the other lens. Now I'm going to show you how to replace the lenses. First, we take this ridge right here, and we put it into the nose of the frame. And then we want to ensure that the lens is flush with the middle of the frame. And then we just slide it right in. Now we do the same with the other. Take note of the ridge that we're going to put into the nose. We insert. Again, take note that it's flush with the frame. And then we just snap it in.